This morning, I'm joining potential investors from China for a tour of the sites. So this whole area used to be palm plantation, but today, I mean, it's been completely transformed. What's happened here?
Yeah, this is like a bauxite mining site. After it has been extracted, all the minerals, and this is like the leftover.
Now bauxite, that's what's used in the processing of aluminum, right?
It is.
Okay.
Yeah, it's called aluminium oxide, and most of the bauxite now is currently exported to China. It's called open pit mining.
Open pit mining.
So you just dig in and load it into a truck and send it over to the port and ship to China.
That's the biggest customer is China.
Yeah.
How has the bauxite mining affected your farming activities?
Bauxite, sejak bauxite bermula, aktiviti bauxite bermula beberapa tahun lalu. So kita punya pokok durian semua tak ada bunga.
Pokok pun banyak kalau ada yang tu mati sebab daun dia diselaputi oleh debu bauxite kan. Jadi dia tak boleh nak buat makanan kan. Sistem.
Dia orang ni macam hit and run lah. Datang korek, isi, lari, cabut lari itu macam je. So, kita cakap pasal sungai, pasal jalan raya, pasal pencemaran, dia orang pun tak ambil peduli. Pasal dia orang nak fast money.